Okay, hello everyone. Again, good evening. So let's start with our project.
Full screen.
Okay, sure. Okay, so the topics we are going to cover in this crash course are our project overview, and the user stories I'm going to cover are buyer sign in, sign up, and also reset password. And I'm going to introduce you to our tech stack. We're going to explore our UI design, our API endpoints, and I'm going to extensively explore Axios and Axios Interceptor. And I'm also going to talk about authentication. Why do we need authentication, and what are the ways you can implement authentication token in your project? And we're going to also talk about storage in our browser and browser cookies. So our project is called TechServe for You, and it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform designed to provide customers with a seamless shopping experience for technology products. That means there will be technology products in our e-commerce which will be organized into various categories, and
Put the cursor on the right top corner, so it will be red. Right top corner cursor. Good.
Okay,
Thank
sure.
you.
Okay. So as I was saying, we are going to organize our products into various categories, and we are going to include feature like campaigns, a shopping cart, and order tracking to enhance the user experience. So the key features, of course, it is a e-commerce project. There, the main feature are going to be products. We want to show as much information and specification of the products as possible. So our products will provide detailed information, including specifications, images, pricing, and customer reviews. And we're also going to make our UIs as much friendly as possible, attractive as possible. And for categories, the products are organized into intuitive categories, making it easy for customers to navigate and find what they need. We are going to implement dynamic categories. So categories will help filtering products based on a specific interest, like the categories we are going to create. And we also have our campaigns. The campaigns will be run by TS4U admin panel, making the campaigns including discount, flash sales, and also seasonal promotions. And campaigns are prominently displayed on the home page and relevant product pages to attract customer attention and boost sales. We are also going to implement add to cart functionality. As it is a e-commerce site, users should be able to add product to the cart. They should be able to modify and increment or decrement the product quantity. And also the cart will automatically calculate total cost, including taxes and shippings. And we're also going to show you how you can manage if there are variants of products. So for our orders, we are going to implement multiple payment functionalities, and customers will be able to review their card, select payment and shopping methods, and they will be also able to enter their address and complete their order. And we are also going to provide order tracking. So after the order is complete, user will be updated on the processing, shipping, and delivery, each and every step. So the customers are informed. And the project goal is to create a user-friendly, efficient, and secure online shopping. So by offering a wide range of products, easy navigation through categories, attractive campaigns, and reliable order tracking. Okay.
So basically this is, if you see, this is exactly the first question of you, tell me about yourself. So you do not mention in technology in the beginning, you just talk about the project. So basically this the e-commerce project we are not maintaining for a while, but we just sold a piece. Sold a piece means the one company they need it, so you have to complete them in 40 days. Even though we have this the application, we have to redo for them for their needs. So this company is going to take this e-commerce application and they will be selling the cleaning products. Means you see the large companies, schools, then the stores and the dealership. They need the in-depth cleaning. This cleaning means cleaning machine, large machine. So this gentleman, he has a machine. He has been doing it already, but then of course he actually the importer like the $500,000 products from, means the machinery, large machine from China. So now he needs to sell. So he came to me, he said, I want to sell them online. So he is actually taking this e-commerce platform. So it is exactly called a single e-commerce, means he is the owner. will be setting up for him. He will have his own domain, and all the product category will be supported whatever he wants. Instead of the laptop, it will be large cleaning machine. It will have attributes, it will have the product details, specifications, anything you can name it. All the pictures, reviews will be all added. So we'll be not only developing, we'll be also the implementing and the take to the go live and the complete the entire training to his team, and then he will start the marketing, the campaigning and marketing in his channels. Means he will go to the other cleaning company and he'll start selling this. So this product is actually owned by the Texas for you. Thank you. Continue.
Okay. So now we have the basic idea of our project. Let's choose our tech stack. So as Mind developers.
Stop the recording.
Okay, sure.